Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be doing a clean with me, my son's room, both of my sons. We are actually in the middle of a remodel, so this right here, these are the only two rooms that are completely done with our new flooring, our new paint scheme, and new bedding, new furniture, all of those things. So I'm gonna go ahead and take you along, and this is actually just how I do my deep clean on Saturday. Today's Friday and I'm off from work today. I'm a full-time mommy, so I take my time when I can to go ahead and do deep cleans because I don't get them very often. But I usually, in the evenings when I come home, I usually do a tidy clean where I quickly just go over their floors with our Swiffer sweeper or my little vac right here. But today I'm gonna go ahead and do a full deep clean and take you along with me. So hope you enjoy. If you do, click like and comment, subscribe, give it a thumbs up. My son's room is extremely dirty and I actually didn't clean it this past weekend, and he's 10, so we're actually teaching him how to go ahead and make up his bed, clean up his room. He doesn't listen very well. So these ottomans right here, we actually double use them as a toy chest area and also a seating area. Since this room is a smaller room in the house, we use this as his video game seating or his television seating. So it's a perfect fit for such a small room. And these we actually got from Walmart. So if you are looking for an ottoman or seating area that doubles as storage, check out your local Walmart. They have them and they're reasonable. I think we paid $19.99 for this one, and it's a it's fairly large. It holds a ton of toys, and it's a faux leather, so it looks beautiful in his room. But yeah, check it out. Any of his gaming items, I keep 2 little baskets in here, and then I have baskets in his closet also. That helps to keep things organized because my little booger is a messy little booger. So he had some pictures and some gaming cards up here. I'm just gonna go ahead and stick them in one of his baskets. That basket goes ahead and it stays on the floor. I have one over here by his gaming unit, and I have another one over by his bed so that he can keep magazines, books, or anything like that that he would like to read while he is laying in the bed. So once I have dusted all the areas in his room, I go ahead and I pull all of the toys that are on the floor, like his stuffed animal, his beanbag, his baskets, anything like that. I pull it out of his room so I can go ahead and vacuum and then mop his floors. For the actual rug, the area rugs that are in here, I use my heavy duty Power Force Helix by Bissell. I only use this on the rugs in here, well, the rug. And then for the actual floors, I use just a stand vacuum, a stick vacuum, because the floors are very durable. These are actually hand scraped bamboo hardwood, engineered hardwood. That we put in ourselves. So I always just use the stick vac. I run it over really quickly, and then I wipe the floors down with a towel and some fabric softener and water just to give it a smell.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear
So now I'm gonna go ahead and spray down the floor. I am sweating because it is rather warm outside for it to be March. But I'm gonna wipe down the floor, and I use water and fabric softener because I don't want anything harsh on the floor, and I still want it to be fragrant and smell a little nice. I don't need it to be disinfected because I do that once a month. So just for our general wipe down, that's what I like to use. And it does not damage the floor. Once I spray, I keep bending down, it's okay. Once I spray, I also like to go back in with the little stick vac just to get up any dust particles that may have accumulated while I was wiping down the floor, because this floor is so dark. It picks up every single stain, every single dust. I'm looking at dust pieces right now, and you can see that by the end of the week. So I'm gonna go back over the floor with the vacuum again.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much.
Alright, so Stanford's room is all done. I'm actually not going to go ahead and do Stanton's room, which is the baby, because it took me longer than it usually does to do Stanford's room for some reason, probably because it was super extra dirty. So I will do that next week. That will be part 2 to this cleaning series, and I'm gonna go ahead and give you a peek of the completed room that is nice and clean. After all of this little boy is a little messy. I'm gonna have to teach him some manners.
You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my, I just need to clear my head. 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 I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to.
So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I do not like cleaning, but when you become who you become, apparently you have to start cleaning. I'm just kidding. I love to clean, but I don't like cleaning up after other people. That includes my kids, but you know, they're not going to be able to do it themselves if you don't first teach them how to do it. So hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to please subscribe to Hanging with the White Folks, because we are super excited to be on this journey. And like, comment, subscribe. We love you. Thank you for tuning in to Hanging with the White Folks this week. See you next week.